Good day, everyone. This is my report in electrical machines. By the way, I am Iman Greg Ikonsad from BIT 1C. Electrical machines, which include devices like motors, generators, and transformers, possess several characteristics. These characteristics can be categorized based on their motor, generators, or transformer. So, what is electrical machines? So, electrical machines are devices that converts energy from one form to another using electromagnetic principles. So, these are the types of motors. So, a motor works based on electromagnetic force, which current flows through a conductor inside a magnetic field, a force produced to create rotation. And these are the types of generator. What is generator? So a generator works based on Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. When a conductor moves inside a magnetic field, voltage is generated. Mechanical energy from turbine or engine converted into electrical energy. And these are the types of transformers. What is transformer? A transformer transfers electrical energy between circuits using mutual induction. Operational characteristics of electrical machines. First, speed. The rotational speed of the machine, which can be constant, synchronous machines, or variable induction machines. 2. Torque. The rotational force produced by the machine. Torque speed characteristics are crucial for motor application. 3. Power factor. Power factor or PF is a crucial concept in electrical machines or electrical engineering that measures the efficiency. 3. Power factor. Power factor or PF is a crucial concept in electrical engineering that measures efficiency, which electrical power is converted into useful work output. It defined as the ratio of the real power. 4. Efficiency. The ratio of output in the ratio of output power to input power, indicating how well the machine converts electrical energy to mechanical energy or vice versa. 5. Voltage regulation. For generators, it is the ability to maintain a constant voltage under varying load conditions. 6. Frequency. The rating of power supply in Hertz. 7. Voltage. The voltage rating of an electrical device specifies the maximum voltage at which the device can operate safely and efficiently. 8. Current. The current rating of circuits indicates the maximum current the machine is specified to handle and at specific voltage for normal operation. 9. Types describes what the types of electrical machine it is: single phase, synchronous, or asynchronous, etc. 10. Volt or volt ampere or kilovolt ampere rating. The watt or volt ampere or kilovolt ampere ratings indicates the size of the machines in terms of how much power it is designed to deliver continuously or for a specific period. 11. Types of cooling mechanism. Effective cooling mechanisms are essential to dissipate heat and ensure reliable and efficient performance. 12. Types of magnetic wire used in windings. The windings of transformers or machines are typically made of either copper or aluminum. These metals are chosen so the machines can withstand operations without degradation over time. Constructional characteristics of electrical machines. 1. Stator and rotor. Sta- the stator is the stationary part of the machine, which is that doesn't move. The rotor is rotating part of the machine, which he rotates. The, their design greatly affects the machine's performance. 2. Windings. The coils of wire on the stator and rotor. So this is the wire that connects to the stator and rotor. The number of windings and their arrangement determines the machine's voltage and current characteristics. 3. Magnetic materials. The materials used in the core and windings affects the machine's efficiency and performance. That's all. Thank you.